Good evening, everybody.
1 minute.
I'm
1 minute.
so happy to be here. And I would really love to share what all the changes which happened in my life. For starters, I would like to say that I got the most convenient batch time also, which was so comfortable for me. That also happened and I wanted to do this master's, really I was interested in doing. So it happened so quickly and I was so happy. And the second thing is, one thing which happened is the increase in momentum in what I was doing. See, slowly I started off in the slow lane with the basic practitioner and changing my thoughts and all those things. And now it has really moved into the fast lane, I would say. And last week, the client actually walked into my office and she said, I want some counseling and treatment. Then I said, I'm so happy to be with you and help you. Just a minute. Yeah. And the other thing is my health-wise also, I was just improving slowly. From a stuck state, I was becoming better and better. But suddenly what happened is my intuition was so much developed. I went into the right place at the right time for the right treatment. And I'm feeling so much better. That is purely by intuition, universal help, that I would say. Everything what is happening, and especially my compulsion, which was there for more than a year, due to my stress level. Actually, I agree that. But yesterday was
what was your compulsion? Tell them about your
my compulsion was that just before going to bed, I have to. Sorry, I shouldn't use that word. I was, I just moved into that habit of looking into my phone and seeing the WhatsApp and Facebook videos. Actually, due to my stress levels, I know very well, because something that became, because it started off as stress levels and it became a compulsion after some time. So I was doing that until I felt really sleepy, or until sometimes it went on till 11:30 or 12 also. And I used to feel so, in the morning, I used to feel sort of dizzy also, because my sleep level was not good. So that was one thing I really wanted to break away from. And yesterday was the second day I did it, successfully. I'm so happy. Even the first day it happened. First time we did that compulsion breaking technique. And that day itself, exactly at 10 o'clock, I wanted to stop everything and just read a book or go to sleep. And exactly at 10 o'clock, actually, I just looked into my phone and found it was 10 o'clock. I didn't have to keep on, looking or something. That 10 o'clock time was in my mind. Immediately it clicked, and immediately I knew. I saw it was 10 o'clock. I just closed everything, took my book and read. And because I was reading the book, now I have so many new ideas for my courses also. That was also improving side by side. So second day successfully done. Today is the third day. I'm sure that compulsion is never going to come back in my life, because I'm so happily doing other things. Not because I had to do something. Now I have so many other things to do. So Masters NLP, please don't miss, friends, because this opportunity and this, the financial part also is so, I would say, is really so beneficial for us. This at this price, you'll never get it anywhere. And no coach I have seen has had some, extra classes. And it's like, going to school and then going to tuition also. It is like that. So she keeps pushing us until we reach that whatever success level we intended. So this will never happen anywhere. You can take the training and then you can go for mastermind. You can revise the training. You can do it for yourself, do it for others, and you will feel really happy. And that achievement level, I want you guys to have it, because you are here for a purpose, and all of them will not get that opportunity. We got it, so we use it at least, and I want you all to benefit from it. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Can we have a big round of applause for her? Really, she is just talking out of her heart.
Yeah, I like
I'm
it.
so
I
happy.
like talking anyway.
Wonderful.
Very, very spontaneous.
Yeah, so out of the
Yeah,
I'm very
thank
happy
you, thank you.
because she's really getting so much
Yes,
involved. Without
and it is
involvement,
surprising
nothing can
myself.
happen. I'm telling you.
I sent the first PPT last night, which I was going to do for the last 6 months. Last night it happened. I just posted that PPT. So see, it is everything is in the fast lane, from slow lane moving to fast lane.
Wonderful.
That is my happiness. Thank you, coach. Thank you, thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Purni, and second, Has Academy. Because without Dr. Purni, it is not able to, I'm not able to join. Sorry, Dr. Purni, I'm using this word, but to make them understand, I need to use this. So the planning was there. It is in my mind, and also it is there in my subconscious mind. I need to join this and finish this master class because I wanted to finish. I wanted to start a new things in the month of January 2022. So but certain thing it was happened, so I thought maybe I'm not able to join this. This is my perception. This is, nobody has told me, okay, because of this you are not going to join this. No one. This is my mind. But suddenly 13th 12th of December, I decided myself, and I had messaged to Dr. Puni that when you are going to start. I thought it will be on 15th. So she called to Miss Josephine madam and confirmed that, and everything was happened, and 2 weeks is finished like anything. I learn how to reframe my words, how to use the magic words. In this manual, in this teaching, there is a much magic words and much magic sentences are there where we can repeat over and over, and really it will change. Uh, it will change our life. I'm seeing that it is change in my life, and whatever the problem, I was thinking that maybe this is a big problem. Maybe it is a simple dot for me. It's nothing now, nothing simple, it's dot for me. So I love to do that, and I'm excited when the next class will be there. When the next class will be there, it is now more than the basic. It is the master is very interesting, excited, and one more thing from my core of my heart, I'm telling you, the knowledge which we are getting in Has Academy, you go and check to any other institute, NLP master, you will not get it. You will never get it the way Dr. Puni is making us understanding. She has a very good ability to do the work from the other people. So that is, no one will teach you like this. People are, trading. They are not a healer. Here, she is a healer, not a trader. One word. If you are intelligent, you will understand what exactly it means. So I'm really, really thank you. That thanks to Dr. Puni, thank to myself and my awareness that I started this course, and very flawlessly, very enjoyable. I'm doing this. And I know that the 2022 will be a very good year for me because I'm going to use everything based upon NLP master. I will start writing my book. I will make I mean more clients, and because my I want to become a coach, a life coach. And one more thing, in front of everyone, I'm going to testify that I'm not going to ask next time any course will be going to show in this Has Academy or in the website. Without doing anything, no or nothing, I'm going to join this. So this is the beautiful thing I learned from this course actually.
Wonderful.
And when you will get the realization, the much more the doors, the God will open the doors, many doors to you. We should be, we have to be, or love to be receptive. always we love
See
to be
that, you know, that
receptive.
awareness we have. No.
Awareness. Awareness is very important. After realizing, very good experience after and before. And HAS Academy is such a beautiful institute where you no need to knock. You just open the door and the seat is for you. Other institute, this facility, you will not get it. You will never get it, this facility, that there is so many formalities are there. Unless you will complete pay, you will not going to join. So I'm so blessed. From my core of my heart, I'm saying I'm so blessed that I am joining this course through HAS Academy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.